YouTube just gave every single creator the power to leave voice notes in the comments, but is this a game changer for connection, or are we heading towards the chaos of an old school Xbox Live lobby? Today, I'm showing you not just how to use voice replies, but how to use them strategically without breaking your community. To start, open the YouTube main app or Studio mobile app. Find a comment. When you find the comment, hit the reply button and tap that soundwave icon. You have exactly 30 seconds to record. You can preview it before sending. So it's asking me to allow permissions. This is a test. So to preview it, we just hit the play button, or we can hit the undo button to record again, or the other button is to send the voice reply. Once it's live, a transcript is automatically generated for accessibility. Now, here's what most people aren't telling you. First, this is only for creators and their channel managers to respond on their own videos. Viewers can't voice reply back yet. Second, there's an AI twist. Every time you record, you're helping train YouTube's speech-to-text AI on different accents and dialects. This is why that transcript button is so prominent. It's both an accessibility feature and a data source. Don't let it get toxic. Critics on Reddit are already calling this a honeypot for trolls. To keep your comments civil, pair this feature with the newly expanded channel guidelines. You can now set specific rules that fans see before they post, which is crucial if you're encouraging a more vocal community. Use voice replies to reward your most loyal fans. Hearing your actual voice with your real tone and emotion makes a fan feel 10 times more connected than a generic thanks text ever could. Is this the future of engagement, or just another useless update? Let me know your thoughts, and if you've got the feature, leave me a reply. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into YouTube's newest tools.